is quiet today. Yeah, but the rain should have let up soon. Yeah, well, I heard it's gonna be like this the entire day.
We could go to Piev's.
Listen, I said I haven't seen
You should have seen the look on his face. Yeah, and when he walked away.
Come on, right down the hatch. Shut up, come on.
You seen the face?
Hey sir, how are you today? What would you like from us on this fine morning?
Somebody can't keep the mouth shut.
I'll leave you right to it, sir.
We're certainly back early, G1. Did he get away? Oh, well, I should have expected nothing else from you, G1. Well then, G1, I guess you want your reward? Like always, quick and effective. You should stay a while. Eat, you worked hard. Well, it doesn't hurt to try. Here's my best contract yet. 10,000 cane. And, I must warn you, though, it is quite dangerous. I hope you're up to it. Good luck, G1.